I've just launched the latest update to my sprinklersystemcalculator.com. This is just the homepage that you come to. Right now, I will fill these with images, but right now they're just got some placeholders in them. I'm going to show you the zone calculator. The zone calculator has been one of my most popular tools since I started doing this project. Basically, what you do is you set the GPM, available GPM for the site or for the valve bank. However, it depends on how big your system is. Usually for the site, if you're talking about like a homeowner's place. And then you set your percentage that you want to use for the water. And sorry, there's also this next button. I often use these little ones down here for navigation because I know which page I'm on. It makes it easy. All right, so all you do is you can pick through rotors, sprays, rotary. I'm going to just leave it on all and show how it works. So this is the 17A Pro adjustable from Hunter. I'm going to go as if I'm using the 15s, which is the most common adjustable sprinkler head that I see out there anyway. We'll just act like we're doing a little square area, or not a square, but like a rectangular area. It'll be an area that would be, say, 15 by 30. And then now that we are at, it shows right here, remaining GPM. If I try to put more on there, it's at 0.8. It won't allow me to put more on there because, and I'll get an alert that pops up eventually, but it won't allow you to put more on there because the zone doesn't have any available flow. If you go above that, then you're exceeding what your allotment was that you'd set up. So this gives you a kind of a fail-safe to make sure you don't put too many sprinkler heads with too much flow on a single zone. You can also add additional zones. Add a zone here. It'll show you on this side what you've currently got for zone number 1, and then we can continue to go with, say, zone number 2. Let's say that we've got something very similar, but we'll go with the 12s. And actually that other one was not, I told you the size, it would have not been that same size. It doesn't matter. But it shows right here, since we went with 12s, now there is an additional 4.4 gallons per minute available. So you can keep going with this one. And if you had, say, a different area tied in with it, you could add additional sprinklers to make up whatever that one's needing until you run out, which at this point now I can't add anymore because we have now made it run completely out of available water. And then again, it shows it all on this side. You can also, again, add another zone, and you just can continue to do so, and you just build all this out so